Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance of 3 units from the point minus 4 comma 1. Here one point is P and which is we take it as x comma y. This P is such that from A minus 4 comma 1 distance is 3 units. Let me take the calculation. I have let Px comma y be the point. Okay. And A minus 4 comma 1 is given point. Given PA is equal to 3. That gives us PA square is 9. So when you calculate the distance between P and A, x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 9. X square plus 16 plus 8x, y square plus 1 minus 2y minus 9 is 0. So it is x square plus y square plus 8x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now let us see the geometry of this point. It is given this point is minus 4 comma 1 and P is any point on the curve which is at a distance 3 units from that. So P could be anywhere. Therefore, you can very clearly see that it is center of a circle is the given point and the curve given we derived is equation of the circle.